Hi, this video is for Mr. Beast, and I hope you can make him see. Mr. Beast, first of all, I greet you. I was a big fan. I hope you can see my videos, and also I watched all of your videos, also all of the challenges. So I like the challenge. So if you can see this video, please let me know if you can put me on some of your challenges so I can compete and help myself and my family, because a lot of inflation happened in my country, and for a better life is difficult to live on my country, because all the world a lot of Ethiopians was like immigrating from my country because the inflation and the poverties. So if you see this video, please let me know and help me. And also I was not just asking you just to help me, but also you can put me on your challenges so I can win on your rewards and on your competitions. Please, if you can see this video, please let me know, please.